It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's not really that cold. You would think that it would be so cold, right? But no. It's just so beautiful. I have to show you. And I'm sorry for all the snow videos. It's just been a long time that I lived in that desert. And I am so happy to be here. So I thought I would share this beauty. I don't know if you can see the snow. It's coming down. And it's supposed to snow now until Saturday afternoon. Alright. Everybody have a great day, and I want to put a shout out there to my sister Teresa. Have a very happy birthday. And happy birthday to my dad in heaven. A double birthday today. Alright. Everybody. No, not a lot of people are here in Colorado. But everybody else, have a great weekend. Enjoy the beauty wherever you are. Look at this.